Okay, so we almost know how to do this guy. If this was sine of a variable with respect to that variable, then we'd say that this is cosine u plus c, plus or minus. I can't ever remember if it's a plus or minus. Well, let's see, the derivative of cosine is negative sine, so I need a negative there. So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer this guy into that guy. In other words, we make a u substitution. We say u equals 2x. Then we take the derivative of both sides. So du equals derivative of 2x is 2, tack on the dx. Okay, all right, so now, let's see, we've got, this is sine u dx. Now we can't take the antiderivative of sine u with respect to x because it's a u here, not an x. But look, we have a formula. 2 dx is equal to du. So you have two options here. You can solve for dx and substitute. Put that in here. Or you can adjust a little bit. Or you could adjust, you could say this is 2 over 2 there. Replace that with a u, and you see that we have the same thing. Alright, now remember constants I can pop out to the front. So this is 1/2 sine u du. Let's see, that was negative cosine u plus c. Now we want to find it for when there's an x. So we got to back substitute the u. So this is negative cosine 2x plus c. Distribute that 1/2. Now c just stands for any number. It's just any old number. Any old number divided by 2 is still any old number. That's why we just write c here. Now remember, we can check our work. Let's see, what's the derivative of this guy? Let's check. Let's check to see if the derivative of that guy gives us what we have under the integrand. Alright, so d dx negative 1/2 cosine 2x plus c, negative 1/2. Derivative of cosine is negative sine. Now we treated 2x like an x, so we got to take its derivative afterwards. The derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of c is 0. So this guy cancels there. The negatives cancel. You see we have sine 2x. This guy is that guy. So we know we did our work correctly. Alright, let's look at another one. Let's do the antiderivative of 1 over 5x plus 17 dx. Alright, again, if we had 1 over x dx, we have this memorized. So this thing looks a lot like that. So let's make it look like that. Let's substitute a u for the thing that's throwing us off. Now these variables are different, so we can't take the antiderivative of 1 over u with respect to x. We need to transfer this guy a little bit. So du, derivative of 5x plus 17 is 5 dx. Again, pop that constant out to the front. Now we want to find this with respect to x. So we said that u is 5x plus 17. Again, let's check our work. If we take the derivative of our answer and we get this thing, we've done good. I'm not going to take the derivative of c. We all know that guy goes to 0. Just a number. All right. Now we treated 5x plus 17 as an x, so we've got to take the derivative of that bit afterwards. The derivative of 5x plus 17 is 5. So this guy and that guy are the same. We know we did our work correctly.